How to add or insert image here in Photoshop. Hi there, in this video we will learn the different ways on how to add and insert an image here in Photoshop. So first thing, you open your application in your browser and search for or go to your Photoshop software. And the first thing that you can do here to add an image is actually just click on open, and then it will have a pop-up folder here where you need to choose an image that you want to work on, and then just click on open, and there it will automatically upload the image that you have. Another way to insert or add an image is to click on the file tab here on the upper corner of the software and just click on open. And the same thing that we did earlier, you need to choose an image that you want to upload and then just click on open, and that would actually upload or open two images here, the first image and the second image that we have uploaded here. So another way for you to be able to add an image is simply open the folder where the image is located and simply drag and drop that here into the project that you are working on. You can resize that here by just clicking or typing in Control T on your keyboard. And once you're satisfied with the size of the image, just click on the check mark that's on the top part of the screen here. So another way for you to be able to add or insert the image is you open the first image that we have uploaded here. And what we will do is go to the select tab and click on all so that you'll be able to select all, and then click on this move tool here on the left side panel of the screen and just simply drag and move it into the second image here and drop it there. And there you have it. The image is inserted into the project or the second project that we are working on. So another thing here as well is that you can actually do copy and paste as well. So if you want to, what you just need to do is just select all on the image, and then just on your keyboard just type in Control C or Command C if you're using Mac, and then Control V or Command V to paste the image. And you can see you now have two images here on the project that you're working on. So another thing that we can do here, so for example, I'll open another image here. And then once I have the image opened, what we will do here is we can select all the image once again. And then we just paste it here, similar to the second object or picture that we did. We just need to copy and paste it. Or another option for you here is that you can duplicate the layer that's on the lower right corner. Right click and then just click on duplicate layer and hit an OK. What you can do is you can actually drag that layer and then move it into the one of the images that you've opened and simply drop it into the image so that you'll insert it here as a new layer here on the second project that we've uploaded earlier. And that's the end of the video. That's how you'll be able to add and insert an image here on Photoshop. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.